Welcome to the epic battery life test between the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 versus the S25 Ultra versus the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung said there is a battery improvement compared to the Fold 6 despite having the same battery size. I want to test out that claim and of course see how it stacks up against their actual Ultra device, which is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is a Wi-Fi only test, so there are no SIM cards inside these devices. All these phones are used for review purposes, so the battery remains healthy, and we have also calibrated the brightness. For social media usage, I will be switching between cover display and the main screen every 30 minutes, but for gaming and media experience, we're gonna use the main screen. By the way, in a few days, Samsung's crazy pre-order deal will end. You can save up to $1,200, get free Samsung credit as well as free storage upgrade. Definitely check the links in the description. With that being said, kick back, relax, enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alrighty, we are back, and it seems like Samsung did not lie. We actually do have battery improvements on the Fold 7 despite having the same battery size. So the Fold 6 was the first to die at about 9 hours and 18 minutes, while the Fold 7 lasted about 9 hours and 47 minutes. So there's about a 20-minute gain of battery with the new Fold 7. While it is an improvement, it's definitely not a huge one. And then of course we have the winner, that is the S25 Ultra, as expected, clocking in at about 10 hours and 49 minutes, almost 1 hour more compared to the Fold 7. Honestly, looking at these results, it's kind of impressive that the Fold 7 was able to pull off these numbers. And this is in line with my real life usage as well. I haven't noticed any crazy battery drain. I'm able to get past my day without any problems. Again, it's far from Samsung's best battery life experience, which you're gonna get on the S25 Ultra. Still, it's not too bad. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. I really wish it had 5K mAh battery. It could have done 10 hours plus, but it is what it is. Definitely check the links in the description if you're looking to purchase the Fold 7 or Flip 7. You can score a massive discount. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.